I'd like to share my opinion related to the activity view. It looks good, but I'm wondering if we choose here the longest time frame, this one, let's say, it will be too crowded, this line will be too crowded. And I'm afraid that these fields will become very small or just partially visible. So I would suggest changing something here. Maybe the custom could be added to this drop down at the first position or on the last position, and only if the user chooses custom, then the date fields could be displayed. Or another solution could be something like this. Just we have a single calendar and the other options could be present something like this, or above or beneath the calendar. I'm saying this, I repeat, because if we choose something long here and the label will appear, it will be too crowded and I don't know what will happen with those fields. Okay, next. The transactions. The events. I have a question here. If it would be good that the events are clickable. If I will tap, oh, clickable, no, this is not web. If I tap on After Dark, I will see all the transactions related to After Dark. Maybe this was thought, but I'm just curious about this. Next thing, all transactions. This button it's very okay here. I like it, the floating button. But what I suggest for this screen, for the export settings, here again, I would suggest maybe, I don't know, moving those options here on this side. We have too much space here, too much empty space here. And then we don't see our main button, the export button. I would prefer to don't be necessary to scroll in order to see the export button. I think it would be good to see it by default. So make it all the information fit in the screen so that the user is not asked to export, to scroll down to export. Maybe for a regular user which is not technical, this is pretty hard. So these could be moved right here. And another thing related to this settings, I would prefer to see them, I saw that it's more user-friendly to see them as radio buttons. So if this would be possible, I don't know, I think it would be good. Okay. So mainly that's it. That's it, what I would like to say.